Hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. All right, y'all, I am trying my hand at blackberry dumplings. I've always made blackberry cobblers in the oven. I've always made blackberry pies, but I've never made dumplings. And I seen Stephanie, couponing girl, make some of these here a while back, and I thought, I'm gonna give those a try. So now what I have, now I just kind of threw this together. I'm making like a smaller batch because it's just me and Robert. This is one bag of the blackberries from Walmart or Kroger. I think it's like 3 cups. I have put 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of water, and a half a stick of butter. And the biscuits I'm using are the Pillsbury, the frozen kind. I've let them sit out and kind of thaw, and I'm gonna cut them up when I go to put them in there. So, but I'm just gonna give it a try and see. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna be. And if they don't turn out good, then we'll throw some ice cream on them and eat them anyhow. But I'll bring y'all back and show you what they look like when they're done and let you know how they are. All right, here they are. Y'all, I cut my biscuits in 6 pieces. I cut them in half and cut them in 3 pieces. Put them over in there probably 5-8 minutes, kind of flipped them around, and then I took one out to make sure it was done. And I put a little bit of vanilla flavoring in there too. I don't know if I told you that in the first video. And then we took one out, tested it, it was done. We turned it off, and then I put the lid on it and just let it set so it could absorb the juice. And we've done a little taste test, and oh, they're so good. And just a side note, the first part of this video I filmed, my phone did not turn landscape, so it stayed. And I had it held like I'm holding it now, but it did not flip. So it does that every now and then. If I don't know why it does that, but it does it every now and then. So the first half of this video, I hope I can put it together so it will work. But yeah, neat recipe, easy recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.